Welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can download Fiverr app in your laptop. So to do that, you can either just search Fiverr download and you can just download it through Google Play over here or App Store right here, or you can just open the website. As you can see, I'm in the website over here, and right in this bar you can see this option over here right next to the bookmark. Once you tap on it, you can see the option that says install app. If you tap on install, you would successfully be able to install your Fiverr app on your laptop. So guys, that's how you install Fiverr on laptop. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.